big Shiva Bhakt. I love this Shivji Murti, and there's a nice Saraswati Murti sitting on the lion. I love that. And there is Ganpati, I think Shreyas loves Ganpati, so I'm going to pick up a few of them. Yeah. I think this is a unique store जहाँ पे गीतांजलि associated भी है, जिसकी वजह से मेरी गीतांजलि association बहुत पुरानी है. I've come here, and this is, my main motto this time was to come and shop for the men in my film, and it's Valentine's. I personally don't have a Valentine, so मैंने सोचा film के ज़रिए I will gift them something. So I think this is a गीतांजलि में जाके jewelry कैसे खरीदे लड़कों के लिए, तो मैंने सोचा यहाँ आ जाओ, यहाँ पे nice jeweled ideals है, and बहुत ही खूबसूरत और यूनिक तरीके से बनाए हुए गए हैं, और इसका launch भी अभी हुआ है. So I thought this is the best gift I can give them. And और जैसे मैंने अभी पढ़ा, ये एक लीप ईयर है, तो यहाँ पे women are like going ahead and buying gifts for men, because we can ask men, will you marry me? मैं will you marry me तो किसी को बोलूँगी नहीं, लेकिन गिफ्ट ज़रूर दूँगी. It's just the way of promoting my film. It's just a gesture I'm using to give them something, because we had a wonderful time shooting together. So I'm getting a chance to gift them something. It's Valentine and my movie is coming up. Why not take the opportunity, being very honest? See, we don't have a message in Will You Marry Me, लेकिन yes, आज का youth जो है वो एक commitment से बहुत डरता है. Will you marry me क्वेश्चन पॉप करना बहुत ही एक बड़ा like महासंकट है उनके लिए. So I think it's a movie of those bachelors who are confused, movie of those bachelors whose friendship is bigger than love, but then when love takes over, what happens? It's all mix and match. It's romance, drama, and comedy, and music. Fantastic music in this film. You will love the music. So yeah, just go and watch it. I think personally, if you get the right guy, then I think it's the commitment comes automatically. You don't have to think, okay, I have to commit. It just comes there. No. I think when you're in love, every day is a Valentine Day for you. So when you're my character in the movie is very glamorous, today's girl, youth. She wants to get married, but she wants to have fun also in life. She wants to find the right guy, and she finally ends up finding the right guy. थोड़ा confusion बीच में होता है, that you'll get to know in the film. But वो किसी को will you marry me कह नहीं रही है, उसके पीछे पड़े हैं लोग will you marry me कहने के लिए. So that's the fun part. And वो will you marry me कहते कहते वो कितने बदमाश और कितने ड्रामेबाज हो जाते हैं. That's the movie is all about. Yeah.
Actually, the story idea came from Mugdha. Because as I said earlier also that we were discussing how Mugdha and I were discussing it's the leap year going on, and how the girls are going to make the move this year, so all the boys are going to take the back seat, and this Valentine's none of the boys are going to gift anything. So she said, okay, why don't we go and pick up a gift for the boys of our movie, Will You Marry Me, for Rajiv, Shreyas, Muzammil. So I said great, and then luckily Gitanjali came up with this collaboration with us and said that why don't you come and select 3 gifts from here. So we said great, and we took a chance to get out today, Sunday afternoon, get out, pick up something for the boys. So she's just wanted my suggestion as a boy if the guys will like it or not, and so we've come here to just pick up some stuff.
He is a fantastic actor. Rajiv also done a fantastic job. So we have done a wonderful team work together. So I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy it.
Will You Marry Me is a romantic drama, comedy, everything put together. It's a light-hearted movie. It's about a destination wedding, and how basically every boy reaches a point where he has to pop this question called "Will you marry me?" to a girl in their life, and it's basically that's fun. It's entertaining. People can just go have a good time and get out of the thing. I know I took a while to in fact write in the middle. So I was writing Will You Marry Me actually after my last film was Dil Diya Hai. I'd already started another movie. also. So I was actually juggling between two films. But Will You Marry Me got over finished earlier. So just basic took my time to do something good and just not for the sake of making a film. Let's start a movie. I wanted to be sure this time before I start something that I should really enjoy making it and people should have a good time. Like I'm pretty sure that when they go into the cinema, it's not buffoonery, it's not idiotic, it's just simple fun, little larger than life, which a boy desires to do but can never do it in real life. As I said, there are three characters actually. If you go to see Rajiv, Shreyas and Muzammil, is a phase of every boy's life. There is a phase which is like Rajiv, where a boy just doesn't want to commit. All he wants to do is have fun, go out and not think about even the word called marriage. Then there's a phase of a guy's life where he was always in love with this one girl. He wants to spend the rest of his life, but he's still scared to commit to her. But he doesn't want to let go of the girl also. And then there is Shreyas, who every girl he meets, he thinks, I want to get married tomorrow. So every boy somewhere has that quality in him. And you'll find these characters amongst your friends. It could be you. So it's basically very real to life, portrayed in Will You Marry Me.